Machine Learning ML, a comprehensive guide. Introduction to Machine Learning. Welcome to this in-depth session on machine learning. In this video, we will explore everything about ML, from its fundamentals to advanced concepts. Whether you are a beginner or have some experience, this guide will help you understand machine learning comprehensively. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence (AI) that enables computers to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. It allows systems to improve their performance over time as they are exposed to more data. Why is machine learning important? Automation automates tasks that would require human intelligence. Improved decision-making. Data-driven decision-making enhances efficiency. Personalization powers recommendation engines like YouTube, Netflix, and Amazon. Predictive analysis helps businesses forecast trends and customer behavior. Types of machine learning. 1. Supervised learning. In supervised learning, the model learns from labeled data. The system is trained with input-output pairs and aims to predict outcomes for new data. Examples: spam detection in emails, house price prediction, sentiment analysis. Popular algorithms: linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, random forest. Support vector machines (SVM), neural networks. 2. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning deals with unlabeled data. The system tries to find patterns and relationships in the data without predefined labels. Examples: customer segmentation in marketing, anomaly detection in fraud detection, image clustering. Popular algorithms: K-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, principal component analysis (PCA), autoencoders. 3. Reinforcement learning. In reinforcement learning, an agent interacts with an environment and learns by receiving rewards or penalties. Examples: game-playing AI, AlphaGo, chess AI, self-driving cars, robotics and automation. Key components: agent, learner, decision-maker. Environment, where the agent operates. Actions, choices the agent can make. Rewards, feedback received for actions. Machine learning workflow. 1. Data collection. Gather relevant data from sources such as databases, APIs, or web scraping. 2. Data pre-processing. Handling missing values. Removing duplicates. Feature scaling and encoding categorical data. 3. Feature selection and engineering. Choosing the most relevant features for training. Creating new meaningful features. 4. Model selection and training. Choosing the right ML algorithm. Splitting data into training and testing sets. Training the model on the dataset. 5. Model evaluation. Accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Confusion matrix. ROC curve and AUC score. 6. Model optimization. Hyperparameter tuning using grid search or random search. Feature selection techniques. 7. Deployment and maintenance. Deploying models to production. Continuous monitoring and improvement. Deep dive into key ML algorithms. 1. Linear regression. Used for predicting continuous values. Equation: y equals mix plus c. Example: predicting house prices. 2. Logistic regression. Used for classification problems. Example: email spam detection. 3. Decision trees random forest. Decision trees split data into branches based on feature importance. Random forest is an ensemble of multiple decision trees. Example: customer churn prediction. 4. Support vector machines (SVM). Used for classification and regression. Finds the best boundary hyperplane to separate data points. 5. K-means clustering. Used in unsupervised learning for grouping similar data points. Example: market segmentation. 6. Neural networks deep learning. Inspired by the human brain, consists of layers of artificial neurons. Applications: image recognition, natural language processing (NLP), and AI assistance. Real-world applications of machine learning. 1. Healthcare. Disease prediction and diagnosis, e.g., cancer detection. Personalized medicine. 2. Finance. Fraud detection. Algorithmic trading. 3. E-commerce. Recommendation systems. Customer segmentation. 4. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving technology. Object detection and lane recognition. 5. Social media. Sentiment analysis. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Challenges in machine learning. Data quality. Poor data leads to inaccurate models. Overfitting, underfitting. Balancing complexity to avoid these issues. Bias fairness. Ensuring ML models are ethical and unbiased. Computational cost. Training deep learning models requires significant resources. How to get started with machine learning. 1. Learn Python ML libraries. Python basics. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch. 2. Work on small projects. Predicting house prices. Customer segmentation. Spam detection. 3. Participate in competitions. Kaggle challenges. Hackathons. 4. Read research papers, stay updated. Follow AI conferences like NeurIPS, CVPR. Read ML blogs and tutorials. Machine learning is a vast and growing field with endless possibilities. Whether you want to build AI applications, automate tasks, or work on cutting-edge research, ML offers immense opportunities. Keep learning, practicing, and experimenting, and you will master this field. If you found this session helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching.